สุดยอดเบอร์เกอร์เบคอนไข่เฟรนช์ฟรายครับสุดยอดเบอร์เกอร์ขอโทษครับ
ยูทูบเบอร์
ใช่ YouTube on YouTube
Keepin คิดเรียวin Thailand
โอ้สุดยอดเลยครับครับ So here I am at Cozy Corner. In my opinion, Lamai's best burger joint, but that's a matter of opinion. And right across the street's the competition a little bit. So you know, but I've always come here because Ying works here. She's been making burgers for me now for about 15 years. Hey, Ying, you work here 15 ปีแล้ว10 ปี13 ปีhuh? 13 years. Is it correct? She's making burgers for me. And officially, unofficially, this is absolutely the best corner in all of Lamai for sure, probably for people watching. Just sit here at this. There's their menu. Been there forever. You got the trifecta here. The Outback, other one. You got Speed right over there. They're usually bopping around, you know, pretty good this time. A little later they'll be kicking it. On this corner you can watch a lot of people just go by. And or if you get a little bored, you can always look at the tangled mess. Wires up there. And there are various assortment of cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's about 10 cameras in this corner alone. So mind what you're doing here. Don't misbehave. Open. Anyway, I'm waiting for my super burger. My sudyad burger. Ying's very busily over there preparing it for me. Let's go take a peek. The son's very busy. Look, he helps out too. He's a good boy. He likes doing dishes. Sabu. Sabu. Keep everything nice and clean. Alright, Ying.
Best burger in town.
Oh, best burger, Ying. She's not lying. Thank you so much, Ying. Okay, bring the camera over here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Got the cheese, onions, got bacon, you got it. Let's just pick that up.
Bacon.
Yeah, and you got onions and all sorts of stuff under there. And of course, I like my buns toasted. You can have it any way you want. Sudyad burger. Sudyad. With the awesome French fries too. Don't even need condiments. Condiments? That's for amateurs. Of course, you gotta have a little bit of suds to wash down those burgers and fries. Top drawer next to the socks.
I'm shy.
You shy, eh? First of all, we can't see your face. You got the mask on.
No, I'm a sweat.
Just take the mask off for 1 second. Show everybody what you. There you go. There's Ying. Say hi to Ying, everybody.
Hi.
Sawadee krap.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee be my cup. All right, enough of this. I'm gonna start chowing down on this burger. You can watch a little bit if you want to. Chai, Yin cow. Yin cow now. Yin cow, live. Nick Noy. Remember what I said earlier? Well, I take that back. You gotta have ketchup. You gotta have mayonnaise. And the only thing I put on my burgers is mustard. And if Mr. Bob was here, bless his soul, he would have this smothered in relish. Move these fries out of the way here. Grab this food. I'm gonna take a big bite. Top drawer next to the socks. You shy, eh? First of all, we can't see your face. You got the mask on.
No, I'm a sweat.
Just take the mask off for 1 second. Show everybody what you. There you go. There's Ying. Say hi to Ying, everybody.
Hi.
Sawadee krap.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee be my cup. You know the food's good when the staff are eating the same food you're eating. Mama make or you make?
Maybe.
You make, oi? El Dorado. Nope. Oh, I'm making short work of this burger. As you can see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. Sated, full. Thing about this particular corner in Lamai, easily, you know, the Outback, and you'll see cozy corner here, of course. The big sign there. You know, you're smack in the middle of Lamai, and these taxi guys over here, they're always there if you need a taxi. There's always someone there, so you can grab them and go where you gotta go. I'm hearing all different languages tonight. Some Russian, German, French, American, Canadian. We talk like this, eh? Oh, a boot. You say a boot? You say sorry a lot too, eh? Oh no, eh? I'm sorry there, eh? The number one thing is our soldiers are the most polite in the world. We actually write sorry on our bullets. Fuck. El Dorado, there he is. If you ever were hankering for something else, I recommend the El Dorado too. It's just around the corner here. All these, you can't go wrong anywhere. Outback, El Dorado. These guys over here. I can see speeds starting to pick up a little bit, and some people in there. And sometimes you don't go to the meal comes to you in Thailand. So this is what's so cool about this. You know? Just comes on in a sun color. A little barbecue. Hadi up. Sawadee ja. Lamuk. What's that? No, that's moose. Cool little Barbie right there. Hibachi. of the workers will buy their food from her because it's very cheap and healthy and delicious. And mortar pestle's going all day. Fresh ingredients. Those chilies are never too far away. Some good prices. Chicken and shrimps. It's like a fish bait. Tasty treats indeed. So you remember how quiet it was earlier when I came here? It was pretty well empty. Now this is what it'll be now till midnight. As they say. So I guess it's unfinished. Time to head home, do some editing. It's my life these days. Editing, I love it. It's good. Get these videos out and about, and hopefully all you out there will click that like button and subscribe so we can get those numbers up. It'd be nice. Nice way for me to start my new year anyway, here in Thailand. It's only because of people like you. I'm staring so intently, my eyes got crossed. Oh, here we go, we got the bill here now. Let's see what we got. Song pan, huh? Look like 240 baht for me. Pretty cheap for that huge burger you saw. Massive burger. Well, actually, the burger and burger's 165, and the fries are 75. So it's really affordable, and it'll fill you right up. Awesome. So, cozy corner, Lamai.